cooking our whole testing community, we've gotten assets from this book for spaghetti with dried fruit and nuts.
I love this recipe.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, and what really spoke to me about this is what you have left over. Like, go into your larder. If you've got nuts, if you've got dried fruit, you create this unctuous sauce out of your pasta water, and then you just mix it with your spaghetti, and boom, you have a dish. But what she's saying is everything we've been talking about for like the last 4 or 5 episodes, right? Use what you have. Think about what you're hungry for. You don't have to look much further than the last few books that we've cooked, the last few books before that, and the last few books that we've done before that this season. They're on our website. Now that's a mouthful.com, but just go into their index, and like the list for pasta dishes is prolific.